Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to introduce you to the brand new Masterson's Car Care gallon sizes. You guys asked for it, so we give it to you. Our best-selling products in full gallon sizes. That's 128 ounces of the best-selling Masterson's Car Care products available today on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now, these are our best-selling products that we've sold around the world, and we want to offer them in bigger sizes for you professional detailers or you enthusiasts that really love our made-in-the-USA car detailing supplies. Now, you can pick up all our best-selling gallons right now on our website, mastersonswax.com. Now, in our gallon sizes, we have our best-selling Masterson's Wash and Shine Shampoo, the maintenance shampoo that's perfect for any detailing job, our Masterson's Mystic Snow Foam, the ultimate snow foam for any foam cannon or foam gun. It also works in a 2-bucket method for extra luxurious thick foam. Our Masterson's Detail Spray, the full synthetic detail spray that's great for removing dust and fingerprints, and is also great for clay bar jobs. And our best-selling Masterson's Car Care Waterless Wash and Shine. This is our best-selling Masterson's Waterless Wash and Shine that we've sold around the world and has revolutionized waterless detailing for everybody, including professionals and enthusiasts that want to save water and get the best detailing job they can. Now, you can pick up all these products right now on our website, mastersonswax.com, for the best detailing prices and fast shipping right here from our headquarters. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to click that subscribe button and check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. And once again, if you want to pick up these amazing products in full gallon sizes, go hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get everything you need to get your car looking great. And remember, you can also get these products in our 16-ounce sizes, which are great on the go and great if you want to try our amazing products. Now, thanks a lot for viewing, and always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.